Hello, good morning. My name is Thomas. I'm a senior account executive and I'm a professional coach and mentor, and I'm a leader. So you will find me under LinkedIn, Thomas Michael Martens, and you can send me directly an email if you want to cover certain topics. thomas.m.martens@icloud.com. Today, I want to talk with you about a topic which is in every mouth. It is the topic AI and how to lead a conversation, for example, as an account executive, to a customer. So let's have a look. So, how to lead conversations regarding AI and AI assistance. So, first call, you are approaching a customer. How should I do that? So, first of all, start with curiosity. So, be open minded, be uh, show the customer that this topic is not something which is coming from another world. It is already there and everyone is using it. You will see it that the employees of a company, they have it on their phones, they have it on the private laptops, so it's already used. And the question is how AI can help the customers to be more successful, to be more efficient, and to generate more revenue. So very easy to start is ask about current awareness of AI. So are they already using it, or do they have discussions internally in the company about this topic? Explore use cases in their industry. So let's see, retailer, consumer good customers, finance, manufacturer. You will have a lot of use cases in your library, and share it with a customer what you can do with artificial intelligence to help them to be more efficient. And when you are talking with customers, ask them what kind of challenges do you have currently? What kind of pain points? And maybe AI is a solution where it is helpful for the customer to do the usage. And you have a first demo or first POC, a proof of concept, where you can start to work on. Very important is when you are talking to customers, it must be clear what are you talking about. So clarify what AI means. Explain AI simply and clearly. So simply and clearly, AI means it is human intelligence on an artificial basis, because AI is coming from humans and it is their intelligence. Let's make it then artificial. So differentiate AI from automation or analytics. So automation, for example, is that the automation is getting certain rules and they are following the certain rules to fulfill the task. And when we are talking about machine learning, use examples like chatbots, assistants, or machine learning. In machine learning, it is that data is collected and it will then go to a prediction. And when you can clarify those differentiations to the customer, then the customer will get a clearer and bigger picture about artificial intelligence. Discuss the benefits with the customer. Many customers are coming, yeah, I do not know where my data is going. Bring the discussion to the level about the benefits. Highlight efficiency, personalization, insights. Bring it to this level. Show what is possible with artificial intelligence. Emphasize productivity and scalability, and relate to real customer stories. Show them the success you have already done or colleagues have done to other customers in a similar industry. So, address concerns. So, what I've mentioned before, tackle fears around job displacements or ethics. So, when it's coming to this point, be open in the discussion. Um, Approach the customer that with AI, other jobs will open up as well. New jobs will be created. And the topic ethics, show the customer how your company is handling this topic, that the customer can see how trustworthy you are. Be transparent about data usage. So, where is the data going to? Where is it? So, is the customer always in charge of the data? Yeah, the customer has to feel confident and has to feel, okay, I know where my data is, so I feel good. Reassure with security and governance. Big topic for the companies is related to security. How safe is everything? And what kind of governance do I need in my company? There will be different stages, different levels. People have access in the company to AI because they have different job roles. And to make sure that people can use it in the company, you need different access models to AI to make it efficient for all the people in the company. Use scenarios and demos. Show how AI assistants support tasks. So show them, for example, how an assistant can help you in a phone call, or how when you have a company, you are talking different languages, how an AI assistant can translate in real time from a different language into German, for example. Use role-based or industry example. Yeah, and that the customer feel that they are listening to him and that you are talking the same language and that you are on the same page. Keep it practical and relevant. So, not talking about stuff which is far, far away. It has to be here and now, that the customer is feeling you are understanding the customer and you are trying to help them. So connect AI to business goals. So the company has goals, the company has KPIs, and I'm pretty sure that there is a possibility that artificial intelligence, AI, and their solution can help in an efficient way to sort out and to reach those KPIs. And sometimes it will be more efficient, it will be speedy for them, the quality will be good, and the savings they have will be very good. Align to their strategic roadmap. So a company has a roadmap. For example, they want to grow in the next 3 years by 25%. question is, dear customer, how do you want to do that? What have you done so far? So artificial intelligence can help the customer to reach those targets because they can do cross savings as well. When you are talking to the customer, position your solution. So share your product's AI strengths. So what is it possible for the customer to do with the solution? What is possible to adapt? What is possible to adjust? Yeah. Discuss integrations on scalability. Explain how it fits into current stack. So when you have clarified this and the customer saw a demo, then you are very close and the customer is interested, you are very close to a POC. My advice is always do a POC first with the customer to see how it is working. And when the customer sees the whole thing is working for me, then I will take it and I will roll it out in the complete company. So enable two-way dialogue. So it is always a dialogue with the customer. It's never a one-way direction. So ask for feedback and ideas from the customer. Listen for priorities and resistance. So there will be still some people that will say, no, we do not like that. Find out where is the resistance coming from and why they do not want it. And encourage pilot programs or trials. This is the way how the customer can get a feeling, an impression how artificial intelligence is working. And it will be easier for you when the first POC is going and successful for later business in the account. Include ethics and responsibility in your discussions. Bring up transparency and fairness. Mention compliance and bias mitigation. Reassure responsible innovation. So at this time, it could be sometimes helpful to align very closely with the marketing department, with the specialist, with the technical specialist, to show the customer what we are doing or what you are doing with your company, to show that you are working in an ethical, correct way, and that the company has the responsibility to give it in the same way to their customers regarding, for example, data bias and how we are handling it, and as well the compliance. Summarize and next steps. Recap the value and alignment. Propose a follow-up demo or workshop, and define success metrics for pilots. So propose a follow-up demo, good, or workshop, yeah, but make sure it has an outcome. So that means a POC, for example, and that with the POC that you are working closely with the customer to make sure that they are naming, so what are the success metrics for us in the POC? And when the POC will reaching those metrics, then you can say to the customer, you've seen it was working, so we can do now a further rollout. Yeah, thank you very much for your time today. I wish you big success in selling AI to your customers. If you have further questions, you will find me on LinkedIn under Thomas Michael Martens, Senior Account Executive, or you can send me an email under thomas.m.martens@icloud.com. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day and goodbye.